Hello everyone, welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I'm going to explain PS Game Job Reviews. Friends, this is not a website. If you have never ordered anything from this website, this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer of this question. Should I buy from it or not? And if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. Guys, this is the homepage of this website and you can see the Christmas sale is going on and the company is offering an exclusive 70% off discount. And it is an online shopping store based in United States that deals with multiple gaming products including Nintendo Switches, Sony PlayStations, Xbox gaming products and extra DualShock 4 controller, different Sony PlayStation 4, PS4 Slim 500GB Jet Black, and Microsoft Xbox One with Kinect 500GB Black, etc. So these are the offerings information, or you can say these are the products that the website is offering. Now guys, talking about payment information, let's check out the payment information by visiting the payment method section. And here you can see they have mentioned that PayPal is the main payment method right now and the website accepts online payments via Visa, MasterCard, American Express, JCB, etc. Now let's check out the shipping policy of this website. So for that you need to visit the shipping policy page and you can see the shipping fee is $10 in the US on most items. And the company is offering free standard shipping worldwide over $40. Now talking about the standard shipping duration guys, so it will be take around 1 to 5 weeks for your order to arrive to the USA. That varies from product to product and the standard shipping duration will be 1 to 6 weeks for other countries. So this was the shipping information. Now guys, before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. And without wasting time, I'm going to talk about those important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or legit website. So guys, this website is using a secure and valid HTTPS connection, which is a good sign. But talking about its domain information, the domain name was created on 8th of December 2020. Guys, this site is only 6 days old and according to a study, we have found that the same domain is registered for 1 year only. So this is a negative sign that defines its suspiciousness. Let's discuss more factors to know about its authenticity or fakeness. So let's check out the About Us section of this website. So you can see no About Us section is available on this website, which is a bad sign. And talking about the contact details, so this is the contact us page you need to visit. They have mentioned US warehouse address, email address and phone number. You can see guys, these contact details are fake as they have mentioned the same address, same email address and same phone number of other scam and problematic websites. So this is a big red high alert. Now talking about social media presence, so you can see the site has no social media presence at all that define its fakeness. And yes, let's check out the refund or return policy of this website. So this is the return and exchange refund policy guys. They have mentioned 14 days return policy after the receipt of the product. Guys, do comment about your experience and refund or return of the product, and the same page is similar to the other scam websites page. Now guys, talking about PS Game Job reviews, so we have found negative reviews about the site on the internet. One of the customers wrote, "It's as a total scam. The site is only 5 days old and doesn't even come up when you search it. It is based out of China as well. I wouldn't trust it at all. Where are you located? There's gotta be some other better options out there, so I do not recommend it." So this is the negative comment that we have found. And apart from that, I would like to inform you all that the site seems to be not much popular online and has zero traffic, or you can say none at all. And yes, The website is ranked 0 among millions of other websites according to Alexa Traffic Rank, which is again a loophole that defines its fakeness. And guys, the site has used the content of other scam websites as they have provided the copied and fake images of the products, and the content is copied as well, which is a bad sign, and this is one of the biggest characteristics of a scam website. So guys, in the final conclusion, the website is a scam website. We do not recommend you to buy anything from this website as it is a fake website. And if you have money related problem, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video guys, because we read all your comments over every video. So keep commenting, please like this video, and if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe our channel today. I'll get back to you with another scam alert. Thanks for watching this video guys. Have a good day.